Did you know that there are 4 Irish language words in the English Oxford Dictionary? What we know already is that there's words in the English dictionary that come from the Irish language, but they're anglicised versions. For instance, hooligan, brogue, galore, smithereens, slogan, banshee. But what you might know already is that there are actual Irish language words in the dictionary that are unanglicised with their original spelling. Number 1 is cúpla focal, which directly translates to a couple of words, and it was first added into the dictionary in 2022. Number 2 is Cathóg, which means a left-handed person. All my best friends are left-handed, so I call them Cathóg. Number 3 is my favourite, lúdramán, a word you'd use for a lazy, untidy person, or sometimes more commonly, just a dope. And lastly, number 4, one that everybody knows, slánta, which means health or cheers. The first 2 words that I mentioned in the dictionary have their correct accents, or what we'd say in Irish, fada, which means long, they elongate the vowels. But lúdramán and slánta seem to be missing their accents. Now I'm looking at the OED